Hi there. Do you run a business, or something? Or you do something where you need to use a logo? Then please watch this video. It may help you a lot. If you are using a logo which is in image formats such as JPEG, PNG, BMP, GIF, then you may have faced a problem for using the logo for making PDF documents for your employees, as the image becomes blurry when zoomed in. Here I have two solutions for you, and both of them are completely free. Number 1. Any of the Microsoft Office tools that you can use to make drawings. Here I would prefer the Publisher or PowerPoint for best results. Anyway, let me show you. At first, we shall draw our logo in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, now I'm satisfied with my logo, and I shall export it now. Select all the drawing and right-click on it. Then go to Save as Picture. Here you will need to select WMF as the Save as type. Alright, we have done with it. Now you can use this logo in your PDF, or in other Office apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. I shall make a PDF using Word, and I shall put the logo here. Now, it is the PDF that I made, and here is the logo. Let's zoom it in. You see, the quality haven't changed even a little. Now we shall see the second method for doing the same thing. Here I shall use LibreOffice Draw. You may not know, but LibreOffice have a powerful feature to make both SVG files and WMF. Anyway, if you are looking for much more advanced features for creating your logo, then I would suggest you to use the LibreOffice Draw without any hesitation. Let me draw a logo in this application. Okay, I have done with my logo, and now we shall export it. Select your logo, and come back to File tab. Who don't know how to make your user interface tab, can check out my channel. Anyway, we shall click on the Export button. Now you will need to tick the box of selection, because we want to export selected content. Anyway, now we shall select WMF as our Save as type, and simply save the metafile. I have created the PDF, and we shall view it now. As you can see, we have done it quite beautifully. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment below so that I can know about your opinions. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.